time, I take great pleasure in bringing to you one of the world's greatest gospel singers and guitar virtuoso, the inimitable Sister Rosetta Tharpe.
All the sweet horsey. Oh, this is the wonderful time of my life. Oh, let me tell you something. Uncle Joe, it's raining and the people are so fine to stand around. And how great it is. Oh, it makes me feel happy. We can stand in the rain and sing. And the people are so sweet to stay here. And I come in on let me tell you what I come in on.